Hey everyone, I'm Srinivas. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to insert a row into a SQLite database. Yeah, let's get into this. Um, now we have two tables, right? One is parent and another one is child table, which are created in the part three session of this playlist. I just explained how to create a schema with tables, right? So there, I created these two tables. So if you want to know all the tables in a particular SQL database, so you can you can write this query and execute it. It will show you the table, right? Actually, you can see the parent and child table demo also. uh, I created in the last video actually, and this SQL sequence is a default table. It will come as default when we create a new database. So now I'm going to insert a new row into um, parent and child table. Okay, so for that, so I'm going to, sorry, file, the table is mydb, right? Yeah, we have a child and parent table now. So just want to zoom the window actually, because the font is very small, right? Insert into um, parent table and values, um, id is 1, sorry, id is auto increment. So name is Srini, and age is 32, and, gender is male. That's it. So if I enter, you can see table parent has 4 columns but 3 values were supplied, because the first column is auto increment, right? So we did not give any value, and we have a two choice here. So either we can give directly any value here, like any value here, uh, or you need to specify the column name, 3 column name. For example, wait and see, I'll tell you. Now the row is inserted actually. So the row is inserted with id as 1, right? With id with value 1. And now, so you can directly insert um, only 3 columns, which we need to give, give the value into the specific columns. And I just want to leave the id now. And now here is the name and age and gender. Yeah, now um, John 28, male. Now if we check, so to John, the next id is generated actually, right? So in this way we can insert a particular row into a table. uh, yeah, I hope you can understand how to insert a row into specific table in a SQL database. Yeah, thank you. The next video I'll show you how to update the rows in SQL database. Thank you. Thank you, friends.